Welcome to the enchanting world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, woodworking offers a unique opportunity to transform raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces that can enhance any space. In this journey, you'll discover the joy of working with various types of wood, including reclaimed and organic options, each with its own story and character. The tactile experience of shaping wood, combined with the satisfaction of seeing your ideas come to life, makes woodworking not just a hobby, but a fulfilling pursuit that can also turn into a profitable venture. As you explore the myriad possibilities within woodworking, you'll find that it's not just about the end product. It's about the process, the techniques, and the passion you invest in each project. From furniture design to intricate home decor, woodworking allows for endless creativity and innovation. Embracing sustainable practices, such as using reclaimed wood, not only enhances the beauty of your creations, but also aligns with growing consumer demand for eco-friendly products. Join us as we delve into the art of woodworking, where every cut, carve, and finish tells a story, and every creation has the potential to resonate with those who appreciate the beauty of handcrafted artistry. In today's eco-conscious market, incorporating reclaimed wood into your woodworking projects can set you apart and attract a clientele that values sustainability. Using old wood not only reduces waste, but also adds unique character to each piece you craft. Emphasizing the story behind the reclaimed materials can create a compelling narrative that resonates with customers. By marketing your work as environmentally friendly, you can tap into the growing demand for sustainable home decor and furniture. Organic wood, sourced from sustainably managed forests, appeals to a niche market that prioritizes health and environmental impact. When creating your woodworking projects, focus on the beauty and quality of organic wood. Highlighting the absence of harmful chemicals in your finishes and adhesives can attract health-conscious consumers. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic value of your work, but also aligns with a lifestyle that emphasizes well-being and eco-friendliness. Using old wood carries a sense of history and nostalgia that can enhance the value of your projects. Each piece of reclaimed wood has its own story, which can be a powerful selling point. By incorporating these stories into your marketing, you create an emotional connection with potential buyers. This connection can transform ordinary items into cherished possessions, allowing you to charge a premium for your handcrafted goods. One of the advantages of working with reclaimed and organic wood is the potential for customization. Offering personalized options can significantly boost your sales. Customers often seek unique pieces that reflect their style or tell their story. By providing tailored solutions, you can create a loyal customer base willing to pay more for one-of-a-kind items. This personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives repeat business. As you develop your woodworking business, consider building a brand that emphasizes sustainability. This involves not just using reclaimed wood, but also adopting eco-friendly practices in every aspect of your operations. From sourcing materials to packaging and shipping, showcasing your commitment to the environment can attract a dedicated customer base. Your brand can become synonymous with quality craftsmanship and environmental responsibility, giving you a competitive edge in the market. The narrative of reclaimed wood can be a powerful marketing tool. Each piece has its own backstory, whether it's salvaged from an old barn, a deconstructed home, or industrial pallets. By sharing these stories through your website, social media, and product descriptions, you create a deeper connection with consumers. This storytelling approach can elevate your products and justify premium pricing, as customers feel they are purchasing a piece of history. Consider sourcing your reclaimed wood locally to strengthen your community ties and reduce your carbon footprint. Local sourcing not only supports the economy, but also creates a unique selling proposition for your business. Highlighting your commitment to local materials can resonate with customers who prefer to support small businesses. This approach fosters community engagement and can lead to collaborations with other local artisans and businesses. Many consumers may not fully understand the benefits of reclaimed wood compared to new materials. Use your platform to educate potential buyers about the durability, character, and environmental advantages of reclaimed wood. Hosting workshops or providing informative content on your website can position you as an expert in the field. By empowering customers with knowledge, you can enhance their appreciation for your work and drive sales. Woodworking with reclaimed and organic materials offers incredible versatility. From furniture to home decor and functional items, the possibilities are endless. This versatility allows you to diversify your product range, catering to different tastes and needs. By experimenting with various styles and techniques, you can appeal to a broader audience, increasing your chances of profitability in your woodworking business. Investing in a dedicated workshop space can significantly enhance your woodworking business. A well-equipped space allows for greater creativity and efficiency in crafting your projects. Incorporate tools and materials that support your focus on reclaimed and organic wood, ensuring your operations align with your brand values. A dedicated workspace not only increases productivity, but also provides a professional setting for potential clients to visit. Collaborations can also provide opportunities for cross-promotion, allowing you to reach new audiences and build relationships within the crafting community. These partnerships can enhance your business's visibility and credibility. In today's digital age, utilizing online platforms can significantly boost your woodworking business. Websites, social media, and online marketplaces provide avenues to showcase your reclaimed wood projects to a broader audience. High-quality images and engaging content that highlight the uniqueness of your materials can attract potential buyers. Building an online presence enables you to connect with customers who value sustainable and handcrafted items. Participating in local craft fairs and markets can provide valuable exposure for your woodworking business. These events allow you to showcase your reclaimed and organic wood projects directly to consumers. Engaging with customers face-to-face can create lasting impressions and foster brand loyalty. Additionally, these venues often attract like-minded individuals who appreciate the craftsmanship and sustainability of your work. As your business grows, consider expanding into custom orders for clients seeking personalized woodworking solutions. Custom projects can range from unique furniture pieces to tailored home decor items. By offering this service, you cater to specific client needs and enhance customer satisfaction. Custom orders can also command higher prices, boosting your overall profitability. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the content both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to like the video, as it helps us reach more viewers and continue creating quality content. Sharing this video with your friends and family can also spread the love for woodworking and inspire others to explore their creativity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects, tips, and tutorials, so you can stay updated on all our latest content. Your engagement makes a huge difference, and we can't wait to share more with you in the future.